If everyone could see the world through a child's innocent and hopeful eyes and choose kindness, empathy, and respect for all people, no matter their race, background, or circumstances, the world would be a gentler, happier place for everyone.
Destiny, when we're together, you always seem so happy. Your smile makes me smile too. I feel happy with you, Myles, because we have so much fun together. Climbing trees, pulling the wagon, and singing songs as loud as we want. Let's take turns pushing each other on the swing. That way we both get to fly. Yes! I love taking turns. This is so much fun. Playing together is the best. But look, Myles, there are dark clouds way over there. I see them too, Destiny. Sometimes dark clouds come, but they don't have to ruin our day. I love sunny days, but even when the sky turns gray and it begins to rain, we can still find fun. And if the rain gets too heavy and go inside and keep laughing together. It's starting to pour down rain. That's okay. After the rain stops, the clouds will float away and the sun will shine again. And until then, we can still play and sing inside and have fun together. You know, Myles, I like the rain. It helps flowers grow bigger and stronger. That's true. And while we wait for the rain to stop, we can paint, laugh, and just enjoy being together. Look, Myles, the rain stopped and the dark clouds are gone. Wow! All the colors fit together perfectly. It fills the whole sky. Myles, let's ride our bikes together to school every day. Yes, and we'll bring our happiness with us, smiling and laughing so others can feel happy too. Let's make sure no one feels left out. We'll play with everyone and help them laugh with us. And when we smile at the teacher, she always smiles back. That feels really good. If we see someone feeling sad, we can sit with them and let them know they're not alone. Sometimes kindness is all someone needs. Myles, even if someone says something mean, we don't have to say mean things back.
We can choose to be kind. Sometimes kindness is the bravest thing to do.
I dream of a world where no one is bullied for being different. Me too. And even when things are hard, we can choose to help instead of hurt. Destiny, while we're lying here dreaming, it is my wish we could remind everyone to smile and care about one another.
In a world that feels so far away, we can find a better way. Step by step, don't be afraid. Light can grow from what we make. I dream of a happy world, a happy world, a happy world. Hold my hand, don't let go. We can make it, don't you know?
What if we built a lemonade stand and gave people free lemonade and balloons that say, I love you? We could help people turn lonely days into hopeful ones just by showing we care. And we could sing songs together. Music always makes people smile. We could walk on the street through big cities, telling people they matter. And remind them that happiness can start with one smile.
It's my dream destiny that our smiles could travel all around the world.
Mine too. Love can reach everywhere when people share it. I dream of everyone coming together, smiling, laughing, and caring for one another. And never forgetting how powerful kindness can be.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. In a world that feels so far away, we can find a better way. Step by step, don't be afraid. Light can grow from what we make. I dream of a happy world, a happy world, a happy world. Hold my hand, don't let go. We can make it, don't you know? Every heart can find a spark, even shine.